south or southeast, that's enough shear to form a supercell.
Guys, tornado watch just issued.
Low-level shear if I want to get a tornado. And I look at the 850 millibar. Make sure that there's at 850.
I may get it on TV. I don't know.
Spartanburg, Lawrence, Woodruff, Duncan, Lyman, Welford, Inman, Roebuck, Gray, Court, and Reedville. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail.
Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, central Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 1 p.m.
Possible doubleheader.
At 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenwood, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenwood, Cross Hill, Cocosberry, Waterloo, Lake Greenwood, Promised Land, Bradley, Coronacca, Mount Silver, and Callison. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Greenwood, and Lawrence.
Doubleheader, doubleheader, doubleheader. Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 52, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Polk, Bryan, Rutherford, Union, Watauga, and Wilkes, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenville, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Dewberry, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 52 has been issued from 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Polk, Bryan, Rutherford, Union, Watauga, and Wilkes, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenville, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Dewberry, Spartanburg, Union, and York.
For early educators to be a part. The SCE is South Carolina Organization of Remarkable Educators.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 52, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba.
Now just waiting to show it to y'all on the local on the 8th.
Mecklenburg, Polk, Bryan, Rutherford, Union, Watauga, and Wilkes. And the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Greenville, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen.
Here you go. They're about to show it on the local on the 8th. It should say tornado watch right here.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 52 has been issued from 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Polk, Bryan, Rutherford, Union, Watauga, and Wilkes. And the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield.
Here you go. They're about to show it on the local on the 8th.
Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Spartanburg, Union, and York.
Tornado watch.
A flash flood watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Thunderstorms with heavy rain will move across the area this afternoon.
I'll do a local on the 8th.
The stronger thunderstorms will likely